What's up, guys? So I have a massage at 1 and we are going to go get a little something right now, and you guys will see that something later. Okay, I'll see you guys whenever we get that something. So me and my dad are headed to the car place to get myself a car. Yeah, he had to run back inside and get his wallet, but yeah, we are going to go get myself a car, a new car. But I'll see you guys whenever we get the car. The car they gave us is a Ford Fusion. Whoop whoop. So now we have EcoBoost and all that fun stuff. But yeah, after this, I'm going to go meet my cousin somewhere, and then after that, I'm going to go get a massage, and then yeah, that's all of my plans for today. So I'll see you guys whenever I go see my cousin. Now I am going to see my cousin. And by the way, I'm going to be driving my dad's truck till my car gets fixed. I'm not driving that car. Haha, jokes. Because I can't, because I'm not 18 yet. But yeah, I'm going to go see my cousin, and because she has my gift. And I will see you guys whenever I see her. Okay, so I totally forgot to vlog me going inside and getting a card, but it's a happy birthday card. And she said it's a long story. The Christmas cards wouldn't ring up, and so she rung up a happy birthday card and knew I would accept it because it's for gas, and I need money for gas because I don't get paid enough. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so now I'm going to go eat at Chick-fil-A, and then I'm going to go get my massage. So I will see you guys at Chick-fil-A. This is the line for Chick-fil-A. It's huge. But yeah, I'm at Chick-fil-A right now, waiting for people out. Someone's going across. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to park over there somewhere. But yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I get inside. So I finally got my Chick-fil-A. Yeah, the Chick-fil-A app is a lot easier than standing in line and doing all that fun stuff. But now I'm going to eat it inside of the truck because I'm not eating inside. Hold on. Ugh. Difficulties. Ugh. That got way too close. And yeah. After this, I'm going to go get my massage. I am not recording anything from my massage because that's not what massages are for. But yeah, I will see you guys after I eat Chick-fil-A and get my massage. Okay, so let's turn that down. So from what okay, so now my massage is at 4 because I had to turn back around, give my dad his work stuff since he couldn't get it out of the truck before I left. So now I'm probably just gonna clean out his truck, and cause I actually have nothing to do right now. Oh, there's some random people on the side of the road. That's awkward. But anyway, I will see you guys whenever I get home to clean his truck. Here's my contraption to put the guinea pigs in so they don't run around all my room. And now it's time to, whoa, Now it's time to clean their cage. If you already haven't, go ahead and go watch my how-to video on how to clean a guinea pig's cage just for fun. You know, if you're a little curious. But yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I get done cleaning their cage. How the heck did this happen? Squeaks, do you have something to tell me? Are you a superhero? Golly, your cage is a mess. So glad I just cleaned it. But golly, what's wrong with you? Okay, so I'm heading to my massage right now, which of course I'm not going to record. But it's an hour massage and I hope I feel better afterwards. But yeah, I will see you guys after my massage. All of that happens. And yeah. Oh my God. That was amazing. Oh my God. That was my first massage ever in my life. And I can tell you that it was the best massage. Actually, no, it's not. The next one's gonna be good. But yeah, I'm probably going to go bowling if someone will go with me. And we'll see how that goes. So I'll see you guys whenever something happens. Skirt, skirt! I win. What? I can movie. Oh my God. Okay. Your breath stinks. Anyway, since I'm done bowling with Lawrence, since I was bored, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and subscribe if you already haven't. And by the way, tomorrow's the first day of school for everyone in Springdale, so the vlogs will be shorter, a lot shorter. And yeah, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.